How to fix Discord Steam paused problem. So if you want to fix a Discord stream paused problem, then here are some solutions. So the first one is you need to restart your Discord. Like if you're using your Discord, like if you're opening the application, or if you open the application and using it, then you just need simply go with the cross, which will be in the top right, or just close your Discord and then again restart your Discord, and that might fix your problem. Once you open up your Discord, now you just need to simply navigate to your settings. You will have your user settings on the bottom left. You need to go with your settings and then choose voice and video. After that, go with the video interface. Once you're on your video, you need to scroll down, and here you need to turn off the option which is use our advanced technology to capture your screen, and then use an experimental method to capture audio from applications. These two options should be turned off. After that, you need to restart your Discord and your problem will be fixed. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply find the Discord right here on your desktop, or you can also go with your applications. From your applications folder, you may find your Discord. And once you find your Discord, you need to just right click on it and choose run as administrator. If prompted by user account, you can go with control and then click yes to confirm. And once you run Discord as an administrator, it might fix your problem. Or the other solution is you need to ensure that you have a solid internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and optimal for streaming. Ensure network speed meets streaming requirements with a speed test, or reboot your Wi-Fi router for slow or no connection. After that, you can just restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.